Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to use filters in Todoist. Todoist is a powerful task management and the productivity app that helps organize your daily work, personal goals, projects and the reminders all in one place, and it is available on laptop, mobile phones and the browsers, making it easy to manage the task anytime from anywhere. And as your task list grows, finding the right task quickly can become overwhelming. So in this guide, I'll explain you how to use the filters in Todoist on a laptop step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. So how to access on Todoist? First, you need to open any of the laptop browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari, and after that in the top there's a search bar. Type down todoist.com and enter it. And make sure to log into your Todoist account if you have not. So you'll see now the main dashboard with the inbox, today, upcoming project filters and the labels here. So filters are the custom search views that automatically show task matching specific condition. Over here on the left hand side we can see there's an option for the filters and labels. Simply select the filter and labels here and select my filters right over here. This is where you created and manages filters. And to create a new filter, simply press on this plus icon over here and you can create your task name, the color, query, and if you want, and after that you can select. And this is it. This is how you can use filters in Todoist to find tasks faster in laptop. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.